Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to High Desert Opportunity Summit.
This year, we feel exceptionally fortunate to be able to celebrate the theme of today's event, which is opportunity and unity.
It's so terrific to see everyone together again, celebrating our high desert and the amazing opportunities that we have to offer.
I love the word opportunity in the title of today's summit. I'm here to bring good news. For the next 5 years, the region has a lot of opportunity in front of it. Workforce development, our community colleges, our CTE programs, that's going to be where the game is for the next couple of years.
If all of you had a sudden, dramatic, impactful event happen in your own lives, how would you handle it? What would you do? I was commissioned as a second lieutenant in the United States Army. We'd been in Iraq for 3 short weeks, and the day of April 13th, 2004, came up on the calendar. Our vehicle left our little operating base. We drove down the road. About 10 minutes into the ride, there was this bridge, this like underpass that we went under. We went under it, and there was this deafening boom. My vehicle had been struck by a roadside bomb. I looked over, I looked down, and I knew something wasn't right. Life is all about perspective. All I lost was one leg. 3 good limbs, I had my mind, my eyesight. And standing there thinking about, myself all those years ago, someone tried to take my life. They didn't. They took my leg, but they didn't take my spirit. So how do all of you skip the roadside bomb part, but find your own potential? Well, you start by believing that you can.
Inland Empire, and this San Bernardino County specifically, has looked a lot healthier on a number of metrics throughout. It just hasn't been hit as hard in terms of labor, in terms of industry employment, compared to California and other regions around the country. So that's good.
I would guess we probably have 50, 60 employees that have come from college at different levels, and we have a desperate need for hundreds more to be able to accommodate it.
And the more they know about our training and our certificates, the more they want our students. And so many students are getting hired before they even completed their programs.
How can we help you? Ways that we enhance our programs is not just by having the classroom components of it, but also the on-the-job training.
I want to thank everyone again for attending the High Desert Opportunity Summit. This is our 40th year. So it's been an incredible and growing organization. I want to thank everyone.